Hello everyone, welcome to RV Sir's English. So students, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण द हाऊस बिल्डर या 8th स्टँडर्ड सेमी इंग्लिश लेसनचे मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि त्यांचे आन्सर्स पॅसेजमध्येच बघणार आहोत. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सर्वात पहिला प्रश्न आहे, वाय वॉज द मेसन अ व्हेरी गुड वर्कमॅन? तो मेसन एक चांगला वर्कमॅन का होता? त्याचा आन्सर आहे बघा, मी हे हायलाईट केलेला आहे. द मेसन विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम स्टार्ट हिज वर्क. He would take great interest in his work of building and do it with full dedication. He made sure that he used the best construction material of high quality. The measurements of the walls, doorways, arches, etc. were perfect, and he gave an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. The owners of the new houses built would be more than satisfied with the construction. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बघा. What sudden decision did the mason take? त्या मेसनने अचानक कुठला निर्णय घेतला? आन्सर इथे आहे. The contractor recompensed the mason handsomely with a good salary. He could meet the needs of his family sufficiently without any scarcity. The mason thus continued working with great devotion for many years till he became a grandfather. Then he decided that it was time to retire and spend time playing with his grandchildren. Being a firm-minded person, he informed his contractor of his decision to retire from house building. Then next question is, what was the contrast in the workmanship of the last house? शेवटचं जे घर त्याने बांधलं होतं त्या घराच्या कामामध्ये कुठला विरोधाभास होता? The mason could not put his mind and heart in his work. He did his work very roughly and carelessly, without interest or dedication. Even the building material used was of low quality, but he did not care. He simply wanted to complete the job in haste and finally retire. Then next question is, what shock awaited the mason? मेसनला शेवटी कुठला शॉक बसला, कुठला धक्का बसला? तर हा पूर्ण पॅरेग्राफच आन्सरमध्ये लिहिता येईल, फक्त यामध्ये थोडेफार चेंजेस करावे लागतील. The contractor arrived at the site. He had a file of legal documents in his hand. The mason handed over the new house's key to him, but the contractor did not step forward to enter the house to see it. Instead, with a broad smile, he handed over the file along with the house keys to the mason and said, beaming happy tone, "These are the ownership documents of this new house in your name. The house is yours. I had planned it as a gift for you." सो मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे होते मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि त्याचे आन्सर्स जे तुम्ही पॅसेजमध्ये शोधून लिहू शकता. आय होप तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ हेल्पफुल वाटला असेल. वाटला असल्यास नक्की व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, मित्रांबरोबर शेअर करा. नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आय विल सी इन अनदर व्हिडिओ. टिल देन टेक केअर. गुड बाय.